Are you in your 20s and wondering how to build wealth and secure your financial future? You're not alone. With the rising cost of living and stagnant wages, many young people are struggling to make ends meet. But what if we told you that there's a way to start investing in your 20s that could set you up for a lifetime of financial freedom? The first step is to understand why investing is important. Investing your money can help it grow exponentially so that you can enjoy the fruits of your labor in the future. The next step is to figure out what kind of investing you want to do. There are a variety of different ways to invest, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and more. Research each one and decide which one is best for you. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts invested regularly can add up to significant sums over time. It's called compound interest, and it's the most powerful tool in your financial toolbox. When you start investing in your 20s, you have time on your side. With time, your investments will compound, and your money will grow exponentially. But where do you start? How do you know which investments to choose? The key is to do your research, and don't be afraid to start small. You can always, as a beginner, these are the type of investment you want to extra research before investing. 1. Stocks. Stocks are a great way to build long-term wealth, but they can be volatile and subject to market fluctuations. 2. Bonds. Bonds are a more conservative investment than stocks or real estate, with a guaranteed return if held to maturity. 3. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are a great way to invest in a variety of different securities without having to do the research yourself. 4. MP2. It's also a good and safe investment option if you simply want to diversify. It's less restrictive than other investments aside from its 5-year lock-in period, and its returns are promising. 5. Real estate. Real estate offers potential for significant returns, but also carries a high level of risk. When investing in any of these types of investment, it is important to understand the different risks and rewards associated with each type. Additionally, it is important to diversify your investments to reduce risk and maximize returns. Diversifying investments has many potential benefits. The most significant benefit is that it reduces risk. By spreading investments across different types of assets, you can reduce the risk of suffering significant losses due to fluctuations in one area of the market. Additionally, diversifying investments can also increase potential returns by allowing you to benefit from the performance of different types of assets. The third step is to find a broker. A broker is someone that can help you manage your investments and give you advice. Make sure to do your research and find a broker that fits your needs. Opening an investment account is easier than ever before with online investment platforms. You can open an account in minutes and start investing with as little as 1,000 pesos and sometimes free. Top 5 best stockbrokers in the Philippines for 2023. 1. First Metro Sec Pro. First Metro Sec is the best stockbroker in the Philippines right now, according to customer reviews. First Metro Pro, the upgraded version of First Metro Sec, is the most advanced online trading platform in the Philippines. I'm actually very impressed by its outstanding features on their platform. First Metro Sec also offers mutual funds. If you are a Metrobank customer, there is no initial deposit required to open an account for the starter version of First Metro Sec. 2. Call Financial. Because of its simple and user-friendly platform, Call Financial is currently the top 2 online stockbroker this year. Call Financial also sells mutual funds in addition to stocks. 3. BDO Securities. BDO Securities is the Philippines' third best stockbroker. What we like about BDO Securities is that if you already have a BDO account, you won't need an initial fund to open an account. BDO is known for their amazing market research and updates both for traders for like technical analysis and fundamental analysis. 4. BPI Trade. BPI Trade is another excellent online trading platform. If you already have a BPI bank account, you do not need to deposit money when opening an account, same with BDO. For many years, this platform has traded stocks. 5. PhilStocks. PhilStocks is yet another user-friendly interface for online stock trading and investing. Get a demo and you'll understand what I mean. PhilStocks trading platform, which is popular among beginners and newcomers, deserves to be at the top. But before you start investing, there are a few things you need to do first. You need to create an emergency fund. Imagine this, you accidentally drop your phone and the screen cracks. You don't have the money to get it fixed, so you put it on a credit card. A few days later, your car breaks down and needs an expensive repair. You're not prepared for this unexpected. This is a situation that many people find themselves in, and it can be incredibly stressful. But there is a way to avoid it. By creating an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a savings account that you set aside specifically for unexpected expenses. It's money that you can use to cover things like medical bills, car repairs, or even job loss. Having an emergency fund can help you avoid going into debt or having to borrow money from family or friends. But how much should you save in your emergency fund? A good rule of thumb is to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. This means that if you lost your job or had a major expense, you would have enough money to cover your bills and basic needs for a few months. To figure out how much you need to save, add up your monthly expenses like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Then multiply that number by 3 or 6 depending on how many months you want to save for. Once you have your target amount, start saving. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a separate savings account. Treat your emergency fund like a bill that you have to pay each month and make it a priority. Creating an emergency fund may not be the most exciting thing to do with your money, but it's essential for your financial well-being. It can provide you with peace of mind and help you feel more in control of your finances. So start saving today and take the first step towards creating a secure financial future. Second, you need to pay off high-interest debt. Do you have credit card debt with high interest rates? It can be a tough cycle to break, but it's essential for your financial well-being to get rid of it. Let's talk about how you can pay off that high-interest debt and start building a stronger financial future. The first step is to take stock of your debt. Make a list of all your debts, including credit card balances, personal loans, and any other high-interest debt. Organize them by interest rate, with the highest rate at the top. Next, figure out how much you can afford to pay each month. Make a budget and find ways to cut expenses so you have more money to put towards paying off your debt. Use a debt payoff calculator to see how long it will take to pay off your debt based on your monthly payments. Now it's time to take action. Start by paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. Make the minimum payments on your other debts and put as much money as possible towards the high interest debt. Once that debt is paid off, move on to the next highest interest rate. As you pay off your debt, you'll start to feel a weight lifted off your shoulders. You'll have more money to put towards your other financial goals, like saving for retirement. Remember, it's important to use credit cards responsibly and avoid getting back into high-interest debts. Only charge what you can afford to pay off each month, and consider getting a card with a lower interest rate. By paying off your high-interest debt, you'll be taking a big step towards financial freedom. It may not be easy, but it's worth it. So start today and take control of your finances. Set investment goals. Investing is a great way to build wealth, but it's important to have a plan. Setting investment goals can help you stay focused and make better decisions. Let's talk about how to set investment goals that will help you achieve financial success. The first step is to figure out what you want to achieve. What are your long-term financial goals? Do you want to retire early, buy a house, or travel the world? Whatever your goals are, write them down and make them specific. Next, think about the timeline for achieving your goals. When do you want to reach each goal? This will help you determine how much money you need to save and how much risk you're willing to take on with your investments. It's also important to consider your risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with the ups and downs of the stock market? Talk to a financial advisor or use an online risk tolerance calculator to help determine your comfort level with risk. Setting investment goals can help you stay focused and achieve financial success by knowing what you want to achieve, when you want to achieve it, and how much risk you're willing to take on. You'll be well on your way to building the wealth you need to reach your dreams. So start setting those investment goals today and take control of your financial future. Once you've done those things, you can start investing. And the best part, your investments will continue to grow even if you're not actively contributing. That means you can sit back, relax, and watch your money work for you. So what are you waiting for? Start investing in your 20s and set yourself up for a lifetime of financial freedom. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more financial tips and advice.